Welcome to Tech Dream Gear, your ultimate destination for exploring the most innovative technologies transforming our lives. Today, we're diving into a topic that's making waves in agriculture and home gardening. Grow smarter, not harder. Top tech tools for plant care automation. If you're ready to elevate your plant care game, stick around. The shift toward smarter gardening. In today's fast-paced world, automation isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Smart tools are enabling gardeners and farmers to grow healthier plants while saving time, energy, and resources. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, technology is here to make plant care more efficient and enjoyable. Why plant care automation matters. 1. Time saving. Spend less time on repetitive tasks and more on enjoying the results. 2. Resource efficiency. Optimize water, fertilizer, and energy usage. 3. Better results. Achieve healthier plants with consistent care tailored to their needs. Key technologies in plant care automation. 1. Smart sensors. These devices monitor soil moisture, temperature, light levels, and humidity, providing real-time data to ensure optimal plant growth. 2. Automated irrigation systems. From drip irrigation to sprinklers, smart systems deliver water precisely where and when it's needed. 3. Robotic gardeners. Automated tools handle tasks like planting, weeding, and pruning with precision and consistency. 4. AI-powered apps. These apps analyze data from sensors and offer personalized advice, making it easier to care for your plants. 5. Hydroponic systems. By automating nutrient delivery, hydroponics ensures faster growth and higher yields, even in small spaces. Top tech tools for automated plant care. 1. Smart soil monitors. Track soil conditions and receive alerts when your plants need attention. 2. Automated watering kits. Customize watering schedules based on weather forecasts and plant needs. 3. Grow lights with timers. LED lights simulate sunlight and automatically adjust to optimize photosynthesis. 4. Robotic weeders. Eliminate weeds efficiently without damaging your plants or the environment. 5. AI gardening assistants. Use voice commands to get advice, set schedules, and monitor your garden remotely. Benefits of using tech in plant care. 1. Consistency. Automation ensures your plants receive care on time, every time. 2. Resource savings. Smart tools minimize waste by optimizing water and fertilizer usage. 3. Scalability. Whether you're managing a small garden or a large farm, automation can adapt to your needs. 4. Enhanced productivity. Focus on planning and creativity while letting technology handle the routine tasks. 5. Data insights. Learn more about your plants through detailed analytics, improving your green thumb. Success stories with plant care automation. 1. Urban gardening. City dwellers are using vertical gardens and automated hydroponic systems to grow fresh produce at home. 2. Large-scale farms. Farmers are adopting AI-driven machinery and AI devices to maximize efficiency and yields. 3. Educational institutions. Schools are incorporating smart gardening tools into curriculums to teach sustainable agriculture practices. Challenges and solutions. 1. Cost. While some tools can be expensive, the long-term savings in water, energy, and time make them worth the investment. 2. Technical learning curve. Many companies now offer user-friendly interfaces and tutorials to help you get started. 3. Maintenance. Regular updates and proper care of devices ensure they last longer and perform optimally. The future of plant care automation. The tech landscape is constantly evolving, bringing exciting innovations to plant care. 1. Autonomous robots. Imagine robots that can plant, monitor, and harvest crops without human intervention. 2. AI integration. Advanced AI will provide real-time advice tailored to specific plants and environments. 3. Renewable energy. Solar-powered devices will make automation even more sustainable. 4. Smart greenhouses. Fully automated greenhouses will optimize every aspect of plant care, from climate control to nutrient delivery. Getting started with automation. Step 1. Assess your needs. Determine which tasks in your garden or farm could benefit most from automation. Step 2. Research and invest. Explore tools that fit your budget and goals, starting small. Step 3. Install and calibrate. Set up your tools and customize settings to suit your plant's requirements. Step 4. Monitor and adjust. Use data insights to refine your approach and maximize results. Building a community of smart gardeners. Sharing knowledge and experiences can help more people embrace plant care automation. Join online forums, attend workshops, and connect with other enthusiasts to stay updated on the latest trends and tools. Work smarter, not harder. Technology has unlocked a new era in gardening and farming. By leveraging smart tools, we can grow healthier plants, save resources, and create a more sustainable future. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a beginner, automation is the key to achieving your plant care goals. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Dream Gear. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the technologies shaping our world. Let's dream big and grow smarter together.